Hi everyone. A small hotel in London has kept a record of all the room bookings made for the year, categorized by season and booking type. So here's your booking type here, and your season is either peak season or off-peak season. So we're going to answer some questions regarding probability. And the first thing we have to do is we have to add these numbers up, make a total here and down here. So let's do that. We're going to add horizontally. That would be 443. And the off-peak season total would be 592. This is your total here for your peak and off season. And if you add this up, that's your grand total of 1,035. Now let's add vertically, and this will be 373. The double would be 412, and the family is 250. And these three also add to your 135. So now we can answer questions. So for the peak season, your peak season is 443, and you just divide by your total, which is 1,035. For B, in a single room in the off-peak season. So you just look at off-peak is here in the single room. So that's 248 divided by your total. So 1,035. For C, a single room or a double room. So for the total, it's still 1,035. We see that we see the word or, so that means we add. So the single room is going to be a total of 375. Is that 5 or 3? 373. And the other room, what's the double room, is the total's 412. So that gives you a total of 785 divided by 1,035. All right, let's go to D. A family room, given that it was in the off-peak season. So off-peak season total is your given. So that's 592. Then you look at that row and look at the family. So the family is going to be 152. And finally, your E in the peak season. So peak season is 443. Let's see. Given that it's not a single room. So not a single room is these two here. Or you could just say 1. Since it's not, you can just say it's 1 minus your not single, which is 373. So that's your given part. That always goes in the denominator. So the peak season is, where is the peak season? The peak season is going to be 220 plus 98. All right. So we don't want the single room. So when you add all that up, you're going to get 318 divided by 1 minus that is going to be 662. And, well, it's actually not 1. It's actually your total 1,035. I was thinking of something else. All right. And so that would be your final answer. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.